Hello, this is Stephanie from East Coast Chair and Barstool. Today we will be assembling a poly lumber dining table with a Picket style base. This will work with any of our poly lumber tabletops, round, rectangular, or square, and a Picket style base. For this process, you will need a power drill with a square drive bit. You will also be provided with 8 1 3/4 inch screws and 8 2.5 inch screws. Unless you purchased a bar height table, then you will have 16 2.5 inch screws. You will also want to wear your safety glasses. Let's get started. Start by flipping the table upside down on a flat, clean surface. Next, you are going to attach the legs. Place the leg upside down with the support bar facing in and align with the pre-drilled holes. Using 4 of the 1 3/4 inch screws, attach the leg to the tabletop. Repeat this step with the other leg. Now it's time to attach the middle braces. If you have a table height or counter height table, there will be 2 braces. If you have a bar height table, there will be 4 braces. Place the brace between the legs, lining up the pre-drilled holes. Using 4 of the 2.5 inch screws, attach the brace to the legs. Repeat this step to the remaining brace or braces depending on the height of your table. With some help, you can now flip your table over. Now you can sit down and relax and enjoy your new table. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to call our service department at 800-986-5352. Thank you. Have a great day.